maybe some of you know, some of you don't know, but this is the first facility ever in the history of the United States to be licensed under the Nuclear Regulatory Commission Part 61 disposal rules. We did that through the TCEQ. It's been a long process. It's been a long process since the initial investment was made, and it's been a long relationship with Andrews County and the community, and we want to celebrate all that today. This has never been done before, and in my opinion, I don't think it'll ever be done again. There's just a unique set of characteristics that this facility and the community and the ownership has provided, and we want to celebrate all that today. I do want to explain a couple of things as you're looking around and things you may have seen if you haven't heard about it on the tours. Obviously, we've got some rather large black cylindrical objects behind me. Those are our modular concrete canisters. That's what all the waste will be disposed of in. They're 10 feet tall. They're 1 foot thick concrete reinforced steel. All the waste goes inside of those. It's all dry waste. There's no liquid waste that goes in it. That then goes in the bottom of the landfill. You can see behind me. This is our compact facility. It's about 100 feet deep. We've got a 7 foot thick liner system on it. This plaque says it's presented to all the citizens of Andrews, Texas on the grand opening of the Texas Low-Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Compact Facility, in deep appreciation for the decades of support for this project and for making the Texas solution a reality. So we want to thank the City of Andrews one more time. This is presented to the Andrews County Commissioners Court, presented to the court in appreciation for its outstanding leadership and the commitment to provide the financial support for the construction of the Texas Low-Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Compact Facility. The $75 million bond financing that happened through Andrews County made all this possible. We couldn't have done it without their support. It's been a long time, and appreciate the support. Thanks, sir. Appreciate the pictures. Well, the plaque is in appreciation for your dedication to the vision laid out by James Roberts so many years ago. That vision, your efforts made possible today's grand opening of the Texas Low-Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Compact Facility.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
From the beginning, the WCS story has been a classic example of the forward thinking of a progressive community mixed with a free enterprise organization to solve really big problems. The overriding purpose of WCS and the Andrews Community Partnership has become known as the Texas Solution.
This is an intelligent community. They understand the issue and they understand the problems, they understand the solution. And part of the solution is the diversity of the economy of Andrews in this area. You're a step ahead of everyone in the western part of the state of Texas in Eunice and Jowell and Hobbs and Andrews. We're proud of you. We're proud to work with you. It wouldn't have happened without the tremendous support we have from this community.
I am honored to speak, like I said, on behalf of all our employees at this momentous occasion. When I started 5 years ago, we believed we were very close to receiving our byproduct license and that the low-level license would not be far behind. We soon realized that we had more work to do. Our role at the site was to safely and compliantly handle hazardous and radioactive material day in and day out while we simultaneously built for the future. We tailored existing programs and procedures to meet new, highly rigorous regulatory requirements and to incorporate the best practices in our industry. We added new employees, some with new skills and expertise, and we grew from about 105 employees in 2006 to the 175 we have today, and we are still growing. We deliberately worked to instill a common culture of safe and compliant work and encouraged each other to bring issues and concerns forward so we can address them. Our teamwork has resulted in over 4 years without a lost time accident, which is over 1 million hours worked for us. It hasn't always been easy convincing employees that we will persevere as a company and we will be operating a low-level radioactive waste disposal facility. That is, if they just hang on, they will get to be part of a truly historic undertaking, which they are today. When we opened the byproduct facility 2 years ago, we got a taste of what it would be like to operate the low-level facility. We love that work. We want more of the same. We are eager to put all this specialized equipment to use. I can't adequately express how proud and thrilled all of us are to be part of the Texas solution. Thank you.
In August of 2004, the license was applied for that has ultimately brought us here today. The opening of the Texas Compact Facility is the first successful attempt at a solution to the low-level radioactive waste disposal in the last half-century. Without our community and regional support, incredible public education, incredible private investment, this would not be happening today. We've always had the mantra, good geology, good science, and proper oversight. This facility that you're at today represents the best geology, the best known science of the day, and more than proper oversight. We will not say mission accomplished, but we do say thank you to Mr. Simmons, thank you to WCS and your employees, and congratulations on a major milestone in our 20-year history. Thank you.
Just to talk about Andrews being on the map, and of course I always know what a great community Andrews is, but just to let you know how much Andrews is on the map now, I'm the Texas representative from Texas Legislature's representative to the National Council of State Legislators work group on nuclear issues. And these are people from all over the country. They're major legislative leaders from all over the country. And the first meeting I went to, everybody knew where Andrews was. Everybody wanted to come over to me and talk to me about Andrews, Texas, and what WCS is doing in Andrews, Texas. And all of them, because they know about nuclear issues, they know the needs and the need for solutions, and they knew the Andrews story about the courage and the persistence that was shown and the not backing down. And I mean, I'm proud of you anyway, but that really made me proud of what this community and WCS had accomplished to be able to talk about that and to hear that people from Illinois and New Jersey and Alaska and Arizona want to come over and ask what's happening here and what's going on, and to tell me how closely they had followed this story about this site opening.
Nuclear waste is different than conventional waste because it requires proper care, attention to detail and handling, and disposing of it safely. Over the past 2 decades, and the cost of safely disposing of this waste has steadily climbed, making it more expensive to partake in the activities that generate this waste. As part of the answer to the difficult question of what to do with the low-level nuclear waste generated by industry, WCS and the community Andrews have stepped up to construct this new facility. The community and WCS have erected a state-of-the-art facility that will safely dispose of this waste for thousands of years. This facility will enable businesses, hospitals, and research labs in Texas to permanently dispose of their waste in a safe and cost-effective manner. This facility and the people of Andrews are playing an important part of the larger process of technical advancement. By providing an acceptable, cost-effective avenue for the disposal of this low-level waste, Andrews is helping to tear down a significant barrier to the continued exploitation of these technologies.
1, 2, 3. Scissors.